Okay, guys, so we're at a party. It's my 1-year-old cousin's party, and we're gonna be trying to not burp. Hold on. Okay, anyway, that's not the point. There might be a part 2. I'm gonna try to not. I'm gonna try to go. That's so good. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna try not to do it without burping. Let's go.